Hi, I am Dr. Swapnil. I am presenting the cases of cough. Case number 1. 40-year-old male patient came to our center with the complaint of cough with coryza since 4 days. He said his cold started with throat pain and he narrated, I often get this kind of cold when I return to home from seashore. Basically, patient works in merchant navy and he remains on a ship for 6 months in a year. And he noticed that he never has an attack of cold when he remains on a ship. So, by considering the later symptom as a peculiar one, after referring the Phatak repertory for the rubric Sea Air Amulets, there I found two remedies, bromium and medoranum. And again by referring the Materia Medica for the remedy bromium, I found bromium cough usually starts with throat pain. So I prescribed bromium 200 3 times in a day for 3 days. After 3 days, patient was 50% better. So I continued the same medicine for next 3 days and patient became alright. And he never had an attack of cold since last 6 months. Now, case number 2, which is of 32-year-old male patient who came with the complaint of mild thick greenish expectoration from nose with more of dry cough since last 10 days. He had taken modern medicine but he was not responding. After inquiring the case in detail, I found his cough is only better during lying down position. I found the later symptom as a peculiar one because usually what we come across is cough aggravated during lying down position, but here it is ameliorated. So by referring the Kent repertory for the rubric cough ameliorated by lying down position, there I found 15 to 20 remedies, out of which the euphrasia and manganum acetate were the 3-mark remedies. But here the greenish expectoration which was present in the manganum acetate, so I prescribed manganum acetate 200 3 times in a day for 3 days. After 3 days, the patient was much better, so I continued the same medicine for next 3 days and patient became alright. Now I will start with my third case, which I found very interesting one, which is a 43-year-old man who came with the mild throat pain but more of dry cough since last 8 days and with little expectoration coming from mouth. But he told he gets ear pain every time he coughs. So by referring the Kent repertory for the rubric ear pain cough during, I prescribed Sepia 1M 3 times in a day for 2 days. But after 2 days, all his complaints are increased, especially the dry cough, and even interview was interrupted for 2-3 times because of his dry cough. So by considering the intensity of modality, which was very marked here, and dry character of cough, and referring the rubric cough aggravated by talking, and considering the dry character of cough, I prescribed Rumex 200 3 times in a day for 2 days. After 2 days, patient was 20 to 30% better, so I continued the same medicine for next 4 days and patient became alright. Here in this case, on first day I was thinking whether to give importance to the concomitant or modality. But as chronology suggests, concomitant comes before modality, that's why on first day Sepia was prescribed. But our medicine didn't work, and on second interview I found the intensity of modality was much marked, so I prescribed Rumex on the basis of modality only, and which acted very nicely. Now I will start with my last case, which is of 36-year-old male patient who came with nose block and dry cough, which is also aggravated by talking. But here this dry cough was associated with harshness since last 10 days, and along with this he has little expectoration coming from mouth, but which is particularly salty in taste. By considering the modality cough aggravated by talking and harshness, the immediately two remedies came up to my mind, that was phosphorus and Rumex. But expectoration salty in taste was marked symptom in phosphorus according to the Kent repertory. So I prescribed phosphorus 200 3 times in a day for 3 days. After 3 days the patient was 60% better, so I continued the same medicine for next 4 days and patient became alright. Thank you.